Yan, hello, hello. Magandang tanghali sa ating lahat mga kamag. At syempre sa ating mga kabatas at ating mga ka-UB. Yan. And ang topic natin today is si Ellen Adarna. And shocking guys. Kasi sabi niya dito, nag-text daw sa kanya si Senador Bong Revilla for a date. What? Grabe, grabe yung mga revelasyon niya rito guys. No? And panoorin natin. Maigsi lang naman to.
What'd you have?
Nube.
Have you ever tried illegal drugs?
Oh yeah, a lot.
What'd you have? What'd you have?
Nube, shabu, cocaine, everything but heroin.
Wow. And kung titingnan niyo siya, no, yung itsura niya ngayon, para siyang lasing or what? And sabi niya, natikman niya halos lahat ng drugs. Well, ano nyo, konting trivia lang kay Ellen Adarna. Super yaman daw nito. No? Old rich itong si Ellen Adarna. And maraming namana. Well, according lang naman dun sa naging kaibigan ko, no, na parang kilala siya. Mayaman kasi yung friend ko na yun. So, parang naging kapitbahay nila ito sa isang subdivision sa Manila. So, parang may konti siyang alam sa life ni Ellen Adarna. So, super yaman daw itong family nito. And even Ellen, she's so rich. Tuloy natin.
Have you ever received an indecent proposal?
No.
What? Really?
No.
What's wrong with the DOMs these days?
I don't. No. I haven't. No. Oh, maybe Bong Revilla texted me a couple of times.
Oh my God.
But like, it's not like a recent proposal that, you know,
What
like,
did he say?
oh, do you want to meet up somewhere, you know, like that. But like,
Senador Bong Revilla, ano to? Sabi dito, patay ka, Tolome. Yari ka kay misis. Ano yun, yung walang matinik na misis? A couple of times. He texted me a couple of times, but not indecent proposal naman. Parang gusto lang niya na mag-meet somewhere. Oh my gosh, umpisa pa lang. Grabe ka, Ellen. This is so shocking. Tuloy natin.
hi, hello.
That's taxpayer money, man. What are you talking about? Okay, so what did he say?
What? So taxpayer money. Grabe tong host na to. Sino to? Sino to?
What did he text you?
Not just like hi, hello, papansin like that. And
You brought up Bong Revilla as a celebrity.
Grabe ganda ni Ellen, no? Imagine that. Mayaman ka na, maganda ka pa. Parang national lahat. So, parang ini-enjoy niya yung kanyang buhay, no? Bilang isang mayaman. Kasi pag mayaman ka, lahat naman makukuha mo na. Like, unlike tayo mga mahihirap, no? Makabili tayo ng isang gadget, yung gusto natin na gadget, wow, tuwang-tuwa na tayo. Like, unlike this kind of people na sobrang yaman, ano pa ba gagawin nila? Ano pa ba bang hindi nila kayang bilhin? For sure, may mga sports car na yan. Lahat na, halos napupuntahan nila lahat ng bansa. So, ini-enjoy na naman ang ibang dimension ng buhay. Like, siguro tinitikman niya yung mga drugs. And, alam mo na. Actually, naging girlfriend to ni, di ba? Ni Derek Ramsey. And, ang alam ko sa last niyang boyfriend is John Lloyd Cruz. Tama?
Who's tried to hit on you on several
it
occasions.
looks like a freaking T-Rex.
You get 1 point for
What did you say? He looks like a T-Rex?
He's like, yes.
What? Pogi naman si Senbong ah. Paano nagmukhang T-Rex? Diba? Kaya lang mas may edad na talaga. No? Pero gwapo si Senbong. Kahit nung naging favorite kong action star. Hindi ko lang talaga siya favorite na na senador. Alright, kasi alam niyo na, may controversial na police. Tuloy.
Super short arms and it's like a big body. Like,
How old were you when you lost your virginity?
Imagine senador na yun na may labo pa rin naman kahit hanggang ngayon. Tapos, she make fun of it. Tuloy.
14? 30.
What? 14 lang siya nung na-virginan siya. Grabe
13.
Nice.
Grabe, no? I think, nasa katinuan kaya sa at the time na ni-interview siya. Diba? Para pati yung sagutin niya. Imagine, napakabata pala niya nung na-virginize siya. Swerte na naka-virgin. joke lang.
Dude or blank, we all know you're gay. Please just admit it. Who is it?
What? Sorry.
Blank. We all know you're gay, dude.
Oh,
Just admit it.
yes, sir. I don't know.
Huh? Si Titer? Huh?
Blank. We all know you're gay, dude.
Oh,
Just admit it.
yes, sir.
Blank. We all know you're gay, dude.
Oh,
Just admit it.
yes, sir. I don't know. I can't think of anyone.
Sino yung artista na feeling sikat? Na feeling mas sikat kaysa sa sikat status nila?
Titer Ocampo.
You work with several celebrities in your field, and then maybe off cam, they just feel like big star, man. Donya or whatever. You know what I mean. Who's feeling more sikat?
Princess Vilago.
Who's Princess Biolago? Princess Biolago. Hindi ko kasi kilala yun. Siguro taga-channel 7. Okay. Siya to. Siya. Ganda naman. Hindi siya kagandahan. Tapos, parang, parang nagparitoke. Tuloy.
But is she a celebrity? I mean, she's a daughter
not
rich
really,
girl.
so she's
No,
more
and,
like a
and her
sis-
family is like utang in the banks, and she owes.
No, yeah, I know she's definitely
She's
wealthy. I
like-
know that's a wealthy family, but
Yeah,
she's
but
feeling big time.
yeah, she even said that she was like the next Marian Rivera.
Oh, grabe diretsahan to
Dude, you're delusional.
Yeah.
You got real. Wake up.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, well, if you said that, then yes.
And
Artista na
she told me face to face, like, you know what? I was supposed to be the next Marian. Like, ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo.
Mali.
Parang lasing siya, no? Yeah. Oh. Kaya naman pala. So, tingnan nga natin kung sino Teka lang Pakita ko sa inyo kung sino Princess Biolago. Princess Biolago. Image. Yeah. Teka, bakit tayo lumaki nito? Kailangan. Maganda naman siya. Ayun siya. So, yan si Princess Biolago. Takihan natin. So, ayan siya. Maganda naman siya. Maganda naman. Kaya lang, siguro kasi hindi nagagandahan si Ellen. Diba? Maganda naman siya. Okay. Balik tayo kay Ellen. Balik tayo kay Ellen. Tuloy natin. Pinakita ko sa inyo si Princess Biolago. Maganda naman. Pero mas maganda si Ellen pa rin talaga.
I love it. What's the last time you masturbated?
Oh! What a question. Grabe. Pati ito re-reveal niya. Tuloy natin.
Maybe 4 months ago.
Oh, what? What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
I have a boyfriend. I had a boyfriend. I mean, like, I don't need to. I'm a girl. I mean, like, I'm not like a guy. Like, you have to like.
Grabe sila, no? Well, yung mga simpleng tao lang naman, no? Nagkukwentuhan din naman ng ganyan, but hindi on air. Pero like, sila naman mga celebrities. So, anyway, gano'n naman talaga. Totoong tao lang siguro talaga. Si Ellen. Or maybe, hindi siya normal. Naka-oras na to. Diba? The way she talk. No? Parang, diba? Parang, like yung lasing. No? Yung lasing kasi nasasabi lahat ng totoo. Pero hindi naman lahat. No? Pero ako kasi, usually, paglasing ako, nagiging prangka ako, sabi ko yung totoo. Walang pakialam kung magalit sa akin yung, at least sinabi ko lang naman yung totoo. Parang ganun yung nangyayari kay Ellen. Yung mga oras na.
How?
Oh, what do you mean how? Like, what do you mean?
Like you don't have a relationship with your vagina?
I do, but like every time I want to, like I can always just, hey.
Thank you for watching.
Woo! Grabe ka, Ellen. Ngayon ko rin siya nakita ng interview na ganyan. Grabe pala. So, ayun lang naman mga kamag. Parang showbiz chika tayo ngayon. But syempre, related pa rin mo sa politics because yun nga, sinabi niya na Bong Revilla, Senator Bong Revilla texted her a couple of times and parang gusto magpagkita grabe no, senador yun and itsura din naman and pinagtatawanan lang niya. Grabe. Anyway, yun lang naman at maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok sa aking channel. Thank you for tuning in. And siyempre, huwag natin kalilimutan na minsan lang tayo mabubuhay sa mundo, gamitin natin sa tama at sa mabuti. Maraming salamat.